Hello, good morning, friends. We again welcome you and your friends in my session of Java 100 top question coding with solution, proper solution. So here, guys, that here we make one video for nested if else, and in upcoming video for today we make for checking number is odd or even. So you can directly input any number to check the number is even or odd. So first of all, you first think what is the concept we apply here. So firstly you think of what is the condition for checking odd value. So simply for a beginners, as a when you we join school, so you know that odd number which is not divisible by 2 and even number which is completely divisible and output is equal to 0, means divided by 2 is equal to even number. So here we can start our code for checking the number is even or odd. So first of all you can import, like we make here from starting from using online compiler. So in previous video also making video on the VS Code, so not comfortable with VS Code for making or code to show the output properly. If you interested, then I will make for you all code in VS. So let's see here our code. So first we import our scanner function. Why we use this? Because scanner function, with the help of scanner function we take input from the user. When user input any integer like 4, 5, 10, 13, anything number, any number, so with the help of that number we check the number is even or not. So we use scanner. Where the condition comes from user side, means user want to enter any number, then scanner function must be imported. After that you make one class. You can take any name of the class, means class name is to be defined by yourself, not by our choice. You can any name of the class. After that we open the bracket, curly braces. After that our code should be start from this line number 4. Public static void main string arguments. After that we go inside the main function and we take one variable, means in the form of integer x. And what is x? X is the number, which number is to be checked by the system. It is it is even or odd. So with the help of this we proceed our code, and here we show one output in the form of comment system.out.println, like enter an integer to check if it is odd or even. So manually it show the headlines for showing, for saying the user please enter any integer for checking the number. After that we use here scanner. How you can use in scanner first time. So without importing scanner function, you never be use the scanner in dot in, because scanner means system dot in function is always take input from the user, means from your side. You manually enter the number. After that we what we take, what we do with the in scanner in. So we directly store that integer into x. After that we apply the condition if else. If you are not aware about if else condition, please watch my previous video. I taught it from beginners 0 to a to z. You can see. If you are not clear your mind, means not able to understand, so please comment it. I will again make one video for you for simplify to say so that with the help of a paper and pen we surely complete your query. So after that when you apply condition, here is a condition for integer is divisible, means x mod 2, x is divided by 2 equal to 0, means if number is divisible by 2 double equal to 0, means output is become, means number is completely divisible. So when number is completely divisible, it is a even number. After that what our condition should be run? If else, if else. So after if else condition should be run, and in else part which normally we print the comment, means if number not divisible you enter an odd number. So from this point our code should be completed, and we run our code by hitting the run button. And here you normally see that our comment should be shown enter an integer to check if it is odd or even. So what we take in the number, please comment. I take number from your choice, on your choice. So one comment I see below here is user say you take the 55 number. So 55 is number is odd or even, so I press enter. It's, oh, you enter an odd number. So like this you can take anything. We directly run again is this, and also showing for the even number. When you put 44, then what is, so you entered an even number. You directly see the output in our window. And mainly we use this online browser for your easily and easy to understand for you. And thank you for seeing this video, and like, subscribe for more upcoming video. And you, if you want any program, any problem you are facing in the Java or any coding section, then you comment the question, I will reply back and also solve the question. So it's my first video, so I feel some difficulty to make video, so no worry about this. So please like and subscribe for most upcoming video. Thank you guys, and your friends welcome again.